Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Bhunai. Today I need to discuss about some problem of matrix. This is engineering mathematics. The author is Chitranjan Malik and Susmita Malik. If you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe so that you can get notification whenever I will upload a new video. This is question number 9. Up to question number 8 I have done in my previous video. The question is given: find A and B. 2a minus b is equal to 2 2 0 minus 1 minus 1 1 5 6 2, and a plus 2b is equal to 1 6 minus 5 2 minus 3 3 0 3 1. Okay, so we have to find the value of a and b. You say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay, now you write 2a minus b is equal to 2 2 0 minus 1 minus 1 1 5 6 2 5 6 2. Okay, you say this is equation 1. Okay, you say this is equation 2. A plus 2b is equal to 1 6 minus 5 2 minus 3 3 0 3 1. You say this is equation 2. Okay, now you multiply equation 1 with 2. Okay, you can get, if you multiply equation 1 with 2, that means you have to multiply each and every element of this matrix. That means you see 2 into 2, that is 4 4 0 minus 2 minus 2 2. Okay, you see 2 into the matrix 2 2 0 minus 1 minus 1 1 5 6 2. 2 multiply means each element, multiply with each element of the matrix. Okay, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 0 0, 2 into minus 1 2, 2 into minus 1 2, 2 into 1 2. Similarly 2 into 5, 2 into 6, 2 into 2. Okay. So this is 10 12 4. Okay, then equation 2 multiply with just one only, nothing more. Okay, is equal to 1 6 minus 5 2 minus 3 3 0 3 1. Okay, add these two, how much you can get? This is equal to how much? 2a minus b. 2a multiply with 2, that means 4a minus 2b. Okay, 2a minus b, that is 4a minus 2b, because of you have multiplied with 2, is equal to, this is equal to how much? A plus 2b. A plus 2b is equal to how much? 4a plus 2b, as it is a plus 2b. You add these two, you see minus 2b plus 2b will cancel out because of minus and plus. 4a plus a, that is 5a. 5a is equal to how much? You see, you add the corresponding element of the matrix this and this, that is 4 plus 1. Okay, 4 corresponding element, a11 position element added with a11 position element, that means 4 plus 1, this is 5, 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 0, this is 10. Okay, 4 plus 6 10, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 12 3 15, 0 plus minus 5 minus 5, 2 plus 3 5, 4 plus 1 5. Okay, that means 5a is equal to this, 5a is equal to 5a. Now you find a is equal to how much? A is equal to, divide with 5. 5a is equal to this much, that means a is equal to how much? 5 0 10, 10 minus 5 15, minus 5 5 5, divide by 5. Okay, is equal to A is equal to 1 0 2 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 1 1. This is your A. Okay, you write here add these two. This is your A. Next you find B. You see, put the value of A, put the value of A. A means a matrix with where in equation 2, in equation 2, that means here A plus 2B given. A means how much? A plus 2B. A means how much? A is equal to 1 0 2 2 1 0 2 2 minus 1 1 0 2 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 1 1. Okay, added with this how much? This is A, this is your A. 2 into B. B is equal to 1 6. B is equal to, we don't know what is B. Okay, is equal to, you see how much? 1 2 0 6 minus 3 3 minus 5 3 1. Now 2B is equal to, this matrix you have to subtract from this. Okay, that means 1 2 0 6 minus 3 3 minus 5 3 1 minus 1 0 2 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 1 1. That means you see the corresponding element can be subtracted. That means A1 of this matrix can be subtracted with A1 of this matrix. 1 minus 1 you can get 0. 2 minus 0 2. 0 minus 2 minus 2. Okay, 6 minus 2 4. Minus 3 plus 1. Minus minus plus, this is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. Okay, 3 minus 3 0. Minus 5 plus 1 minus 4. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 2. 1 minus 1 0. Okay, this is your 2B. Next you find B. How much B? 2B is equal to this. B is equal to this matrix by 2. B is equal to this matrix 0 2 minus 2 4 minus 2 0 minus 4 2 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 0 minus 2 1 0. This is your matrix B. So A is equal to this and B is equal to this is your answer. Okay. You see the next question, question number 10. If A is equal to minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 3 minus 3 3 5 minus 5 5, so that A square is equal to A. That means we have to multiply A into A twice. Okay, that means use right here A square is equal to A into A is equal to this is LHS. Okay, minus 1 1 minus 1 3 minus 3 3 5 minus 5 5, again minus 1 3 5 1 minus 3 minus 5 minus 1 3 5. Okay, you know how to multiply Okay, this is 3 cross 3 matrix, this is 3 cross 3 matrix, same matrix. Okay, we have to multiply row to column. Row, this is the row and this is the column. Row to column we have to multiply. Okay, row to column, that means this is equal to -1 into -1 plus 3 into 1. Okay, 3 into 1 plus 5 into -1, 5 into -1. Again you see this row with this column, again this row with this column, again this row with this column. That means -1 into 3, okay, plus 3 into -3, -1 into 3, 3 into -3, 5 into 3 plus 5 into 3. Okay, next -1 into 5, -1 into 5, 3 into -5, -1 into 5, 3 into -5 plus 3 into -5, 5 into 5 plus 5 into 5. Okay, similarly you can multiply this row with this column. That means 1 into -1, 1 into -1 plus -3 into 1, -3 into 1 plus minus minus. Okay, -3 into 1, this is -3, -3 into 1, -5 into -1 plus -5 into -1. Okay, again you see 1 into 3, 1 into 3, -3 into -3 plus -3 into -3. Okay, better to write here plus -3 into plus -3 into 1. Okay, better to write. Then 5 into 3, -5 into 3, -5 into 3. Again you see 1 into 5, 1 into 5, -3 into -5, -3 into -5, -5 into 5, -5 into 5. Okay, similarly you see -1 into -1, -1 into -1, -1 into 1, -1 into -1 into 1. Okay, you see -1 into -1 into -1, -1 into -1, 3 into 1. Here see 3 into 1, 3 into 1, 5 into -1, 5 into -1. Okay, next -1 into 3, -1 into 3 plus 3 into -3, 3 into -3 plus 3, 5 into 3, 5 into 5 into 3. Okay, then -1 into 5, -1 into 5 plus 3 into -5, 3 into -5, 3 into -5, 5 into 5 plus 5 into 5. Okay, is equal to, you see this is 1 plus 3 minus 5, this is -1, this is -3, this is plus 5, this is 1 plus 3 minus 5. Okay, here you see -3 -3 -9, -3 -9 plus 15. Here 3 plus 9 minus 15. Here -3 -9 plus 15. Okay, here you see -5 minus 15 plus 25. Okay, here you see 5 plus 15, 5 plus 15 minus 25. Okay, here you see -5 minus 15 plus 25. You see 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 5, that is equal to minus 1. Okay, 3 minus 1 how much? Minus 4. Minus 4 plus 5 is equal to 1. 3 plus 1 4 minus 5 minus 1. Okay, this is equal to 9 plus 3 12. 12 plus 15 3. Okay, this is 12 minus 15 minus 3. This is minus 12 plus 15 3. Okay, this is equal to, you see, 15 plus minus 15 minus 5 is equal to minus 20 plus 25, that is 5. Okay, this is 5 15 is equal to 20 minus 25, that is minus 5. Okay, 5 plus 15 minus 20 plus 25, that is 5. You see, this is your a 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1, 3 minus 3 3 3 minus 3 3, 5 minus 5 5. Okay, is equal to a. That means a square is equal to a. It is proved. Is equal to a. So therefore a square is equal to a. It is proved. LHS is equal to RHS. Is equal to RHS. If you say this is LHS, this is your LHS, and you can get RHS. Okay.